when it comes to certain locations for charging your Tesla, this is a level 2 charger. And as you see, the location is a park where you can go on the trail. Also, they have charging stations. If you have different EVs, this would probably be able to charge as well. Potentially Tesla as well, actually. Looks like the charging station is set. If you wanted to use your Tesla though, you do have to use your added connector to be able to connect a Clip Creek charger. So just to keep that in mind, when you're charging your electric vehicles, look for them at any trail or if you're going for a hike.